Dividing fractions. Pause the video and write down anything you can remember about dividing fractions. So how do you divide fractions? Well, like multiplying, you make sure that the fractions are improper first. So make them improper first and then follow the process KFC, which is keep, flip, change. Or if you want to remember the wee rhyme, keep the first, flip the other, change the times, there's no bother. So what's all that about? K for keep, we keep the first fraction the same in this example. So if we're doing 2/3 divided by 5/7, we keep the 2/3. We flip this one here, the other, which will be 5/7, so you flip it up to 7/5. And we change, C for change the sign is what that means. So the divide sign changes to a multiply. And this becomes a multiplying fraction question then, which we've done before. Multiply the numerators together, 2 times 7, which is 14, and multiply the denominators together. 3 times 5 is 15. Pause the video and try examples 6 to 8. Okay, example 6. We have 5/6, and we're going to divide that by 9/2. So we keep the first, we flip the second, and we change the sign. Okay, so we keep the first fraction, 5/6, we flip the second one to 2/9, and we change the divide sign to multiplication. We can then multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Remember, if there's a possibility of cancelling, there's a common factor of 2, so we can divide through by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, 2 divided by 2 is 1. And that leaves our numerator as 5 times 1, which is 5, and the denominator 3 times 9, which is 27. Example 7. Calculate 4 divided by 1/3. When you're multiplying or dividing fractions, we make sure that all the numbers are indeed fractions. So 4 would have to be written as 4 wholes, 4 divided by 1, or 4/1. So the question could be rewritten as 4 wholes divided by 1/3. The process, we keep the first, we flip the second, and we change the sign. That's now multiplication. So to multiply, we multiply the numerators together. 4 times 3 is 12, and the denominators together, 1 times 1 is 1. And 12/1 is the same as 12 wholes, which is just 12. Example 8. Evaluate 2 3/5 divided by 6/25. Well, I can see a mixed number here. I want to make that improper. So 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13. So that's 13/5. 2 3/5 is the same as 13/5. Divided by 6/25. In our process, we keep the first, we flip the second, and we change the sign. And for multiplying fractions, we multiply the numerators, and we multiply the denominators. Looks like quite a big calculation, so always look for your common factors in numerator and denominator. There's a common factor of 5. So divide the denominator by 5 and the numerator by 5. We end up with then 13 multiplied by 5, which is 65, and 1 times 6, which is 6. So 65 divided by 6, 6 goes into 65 10 times, because 10 times 6 is 60, and that's 5 left over, 5/6.